How to download and install Realtek audio drivers on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are having trouble with your Realtek audio driver, no worries. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to download and install Realtek audio drivers on your Windows 11 device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your web browser and go to the Realtek audio drivers website. For your convenience, we have also included the direct link to the website. And once you are on the website, simply search for the Realtek audio drivers on the search bar. And here, as you can see in the search bar, you can simply click on the result that suits best for you. And once you are inside the interface like this, you can see the download button. So simply click on that. And after clicking on that, a license agreement will pop up. So simply accept the terms, and once you do that, your download will start automatically in just few seconds. And after the download is complete, you can open the file explorer by pressing Windows plus E. Now navigate to the folder where the driver files was downloaded. So since the file was downloaded in the setup format, so simply double click on it to start the installation process. And during the installation, you simply need to click next whenever prompted to continue. And once the installation is complete, you have to restart the laptop to make the application fully operational. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Realtek audio driver on your Windows 11 PC. With this, if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.